gente, hoje eu vim aqui mostrar o modelo da minha geladeira que chegou, BRM59. Gente, ela é linda. Eu comprei branca. Tem que esperar 2 horas pra ligar. Ó, ela é enorme. Aqui, ó, tem uma etiqueta falando do aquecimento das laterais, né?
Don't wanna know, no, who's taking you home, I'm loving you so, the way I used to love you, no, don't wanna know, no, who's taking you home, I'm loving you so, the way I used to love you, no, don't wanna know, wasted, the more I drink, the more I think about you, no, I can't take it, baby, every place I go reminds me of you. Do you think of me, what we used to be? Is it better now that I'm not around? My friends are acting strange, they don't bring up your name. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Don't wanna know, no, who's taking you home, I'm loving you so, the way I used to love you, no, don't wanna know.
Essa prateleira, ela move pra frente e pra trás. Caso vocês queiram remover, também tem essa opção, né? Embaixo, lá no final dela, você tem que destravar um negocinho, acho que puxar, e que eu ainda não removi ela, mas tem como, tá?
Yeah, so how you feel, all them cold London nights still give me a chill. I guess just because you left don't mean the memories will. So who do I trust? Tell me, who do I trust? When every single girl I know I've already fucked. When all my friends say I talk about you too much, I guess the only ones who understand this is us. See, they want real, but they get fiction. They wanna talk, but they don't wanna listen. They want love.
Beijo de ovo, ela é muito espaçosa. Esse é o espaço adapte, ele sobe, desce, você adapta ele ao nível que você quer, super adorei, muito fácil.
But don't you go getting married, don't you go get engaged. I know you're getting older, don't have no time to waste. I shouldn't be much longer, but you shouldn't have to wait. Can't lose you, can't help it, I'm so sorry, I'm so selfish. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star.